How to fix Outlook freezing problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Outlook freezing problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Outlook and click on it. First thing you need to do, click here power usage details and click force stop, or you can just click it here, and if you can't find it here just click power usage and you will find it. And after that click storage, clear cache, and if that also doesn't fix it, now click storage, click clear data, click OK, and then restart your phone and try again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.